Hey guys, what's happening? Hey, Rick here, and this morning we're out here on a Tuesday morning. It's about 8:30, and it's going to be a lovely day. We had some fog this morning, but me and Jasper's out here doing our thing, trying to get Anthony's bird finished up this morning. And I got something new on this RG210, which is the first time. You know, I'm a great big fan of the 1177 Foxeer cameras, and I've become a big fan of their FPV antennas, but I'm also trying the TM600 VTX this time. I've heard a lot of good reviews about it, and I tell you what, I know these cameras are great, and the antennas are almost indestructible. And so we're going to give this VTX 600 milliwatt VTX a try this morning, but mainly what I'm doing out here is getting the PIDs tuned. Didn't take a whole lot. Of course, I'm used to tuning these RG210s. I've done a lot of them, so it didn't take much. But I think I've got this bird tuned in now, so we're going to go ahead and fly a little bit out here and do some last-minute checks before we head out to the Ponderosa to do all the FPV checks, where I've got a lot more room than I got here. Plus we can open up these motors and make sure they're in good working order for them, so we want to make sure these birds are 100% when the customer gets it. Alright, so guys, so stay tuned, and we're going to fire this bad boy up and take her for a flight. Alright, look how stable that bird is. Sweet. Alright, let's do a quick control check. Alright, everything's looking good. Looking real good. Alright, let's take this bad boy out. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, ain't nothing wrong with that. Very responsive. Oh yeah. Nothing wrong with that. I got some cars going here. Alright, let's put this bad boy in some acro here. Oh yeah, very smooth, very smooth, very smooth. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, good, good. Boy, that's smooth. Nice loop. Hell yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Hell yeah, right, spot on. Yeah, I think I definitely got these PIDs tuned in this morning. We're ready to take this bad boy out to the ranch so we can get the FPV system checked and everything. But she's looking real good right now. Hey guys, hey Rick, we're back out here now at the Ponderosa Horse Ranch, and we got Anthony Cress's bird, and we got her all tuned up at the house, and we're going to bring her out here to do some high-speed runs on the motors and make sure everything's cool, and do some FPV range checks and everything on this new Foxeer TM600. And so we should have a pretty good flight out here. It's a beautiful day. I mean, perfect. Beautiful. So we should get some good reception, and hopefully anyway. So we're going to fire this bird up here in a second and see how she does. Alright, let's do a couple checks on this bad boy. Alright, check the fail-safe. We're going to turn off the transmitter. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, fail-safe is working good. Of course, when you check the fail-safe, that's turning off the transmitter. And now, you got to unplug it, because once you activate the fail-safe, you have to replug the bird back in. Alright, now we're going to check the discovery beeper. Oh, got to turn on the transmitter to help. Oh yeah, working good. Alright, let's take this bird for a flight. Still got pretty good trim. Do a quick control check. Alrighty, looking good, man. Oh yeah. Good control, good control, good control. Oh yeah. Ooh, out of sight dynamite. Oh yeah. Looking good, man, looking good. Alright, let's see how this bird does in acro. Alright. Nice loop. Do another loop. Big loop. Oh yeah. And 2, 3. Nice, 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 nice. Barrel roll. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3. Good. Quick snap. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Alright. Hell yeah. Looking good, man. Looking good. Let's bring her in here. Hell yeah. That was a good first flight. Everything's looking real good. We're going to do some FPV checks now, and we'll shoot some DVR and see how this video is going to be on this TM600. I'm real excited to see how this is going to go. So next flight will be with FPV.